Hello and welcome to Command Option Tech. In today's video, we're gonna explore a new Vim plugin called Avante, which is really good and which kind of emulates the Cursor IDE. So this particular project page offers wealth of information, so I would encourage you to actually explore. If you are using Lazy Vim, then this particular configuration is just gonna work. And you can use different providers as mentioned as listed out here. So one of the provider that you also can use is Ollama, which is not listed here, but uh, that can also be possible. So if you want to use that, then you can just use the configuration I have here. This is particularly the configuration that's gonna allow you to utilize the local Ollama based models, and that way you can utilize those local models, and you can actually have them. You don't need to probably even pay for anything like Copilot or OpenAI or other companies. So this particular project page has a lot of information, and it also gives out listing about what the key bindings are and how are different things. So we can explore the plugin next. To start with, I'm just gonna show you the configuration. So here's the configuration. So if we look at this particular block of code, I'm just connecting to my local host, and basically that's kind of the default port for Ollama, and I'm using QEncoder as my base model. So for the demo purpose, we'll just try to create a basic calculator in Python. So if we hit uh, leader AA, then we get to Avante Ask interface or that particular menu. So I can actually just ask it to create a basic calculator in Python. And you can see we are actually utilizing the QIn model. Even for the local models, it's still giving out uh, completion in really good way. So you can just get to the code block and just hit A. Then I can actually accept their side of the story or their side of the changes by hitting CA. And we have kind of the basic calculator function that's offered to us. So we can actually get rid of the Avante menu, and then another thing we can actually explore will be actually inline comments. So we can actually just select the block of code and then hit space AE to just ask it anything. In this case, I'm just gonna ask it to change the comment to function. And yeah, it subtract to a number. So yeah, that looks nice. So that's kind of the thing. So similarly, you can actually talk to or actually essentially ask a lot of things about the code base using add file, add buffers, add code base, those sort of things. Also, it offers slash commands. So if you are there, you can actually hit slash commands to get help. You can actually clear the screen and put the commit message if you have changes to commit, and that will actually give you the commit message. So all in all, this is actually a really good plugin. And if you are using with Ollama, then Essentially, you can have it as a replacement for GitHub Copilot for free. One thing is you might actually want to use the smaller models so that it's actually more effective. Another thing that probably you can actually try will be the suggestions feature. So you can actually enable that by hitting space A and S. So you see toggle suggestions. So if I toggle it, then I can get here, and then probably as soon as I start typing, uh, it should be able to give us some suggestions as to, yeah, so it actually came back as this is a simple calculator program. So it's not fast, it's not similar to Copilot, but in a way it's actually works, which is a great thing. Anyways, yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to actually put comment to this video. And thank you.